Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and the practical series of the cloud computing. In this session, we see how do we implement RESTful services using Java NetBeans. So without wasting of time, let us start with the demonstration of the RESTful service. In this, we first create a web service, right? And then we create a client that will call the web service. So let us start with the creation of the web service. Go to the file, new project. Then for web services, do remember students, we select the Java web and then web application. Then यहाँ पे we will give a name RESTful services. Then click on next. Then server selection. This is your Glassfish server. Next. Then framework. Do not select any framework, just click on finish. So this will create a web application in NetBeans. Okay, now the next step is we have to create a web service in this RESTful service. Just right click on this web application, new, then RESTful web service from the pattern. अगर आपको ये ऑप्शन यहाँ नहीं मिला, just go to the other. In other we have a web services and for RESTful service हम लोग select करेंगे RESTful web services from the patterns. Just next. Then RESTful service is created in root resource folder. So just select this option, which is a by default option. Next. Now we give the package to the web service. So I am giving a RESTful. I am creating a string operation package. Then path is a generic, you can change this path, and then class name is my string operations. And do remember, we select the MIME type, which is your text/HTML, and then click on finish. So this will create a RESTful web service. अच्छा, यहाँ पे do remember students, right? It will create a two files. First is your application config.java file, and the second file is your string operations.java. So go to the string operations.java file. Here we have methods, get HTML method and then put HTML method. One method produce the output, and one method is used to consume the input. So when we write a put method, we provide some input to the method. When we write a code in get HTML, it will return something. So now I will create a two methods, two string operations. So first just copy this part. I will create my own method, then public, return type is string, and I'm giving a name as to upper case method, and this method will convert the string into uppercase. So I will give the input as a string. So this is my first method, first put method. Then again copy this and paste. Then I am defining a second method, which is your public string to lowercase method, and then again it will convert the string into lowercase, so we give the input as a string. So these are the two methods. We add one more parameters, which is your path. So just copy this path variable, and we have this method to upper case method. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग इसको पेस्ट करेंगे and then we write slash uppercase slash uppercase. You can give any name. Here we can write any name. Then again just copy this, and after consumes just paste here. Then here we write lower case. So this is the path that we specify. Okay. Now this method is basically used to convert the input string, that is your str, into the uppercase. So here we return str dot, there is a method in Java to uppercase. This will convert the string into uppercase. In the same way, second method return again str dot to lowercase. So we done with the two methods. This is my first method, which is your put type method, and the second again put the two lowercase method. Now we execute this web service. So go to the web application. First click on clean. As we can see here, it will clean all the garbage values, all the non usable objects, right? Now next, right click, then we click on deploy. It will start the Glassfish server. As we can see here, it is launching the Glassfish server, where we execute or we deploy our web service. So just wait for some time, starting the Glassfish server. Just wait, it will load the resources that are required. Now as we can see here, the server is running and build successful. Then we go to the web service. There is my RESTful web service. Right click, test RESTful web service. Then OK. Again deploying the result, RESTful web services. Just wait for some time. It will launch a browser, and we had two methods, two uppercase method and two lowercase method. ये दोनों मेथड वहाँ पे एज एन आउटपुट डिस्प्ले होगी. नाउ जस्ट क्लिक, दिस इज अ जेनेरिक मेथड. क्लिक ऑन जेनेरिक. एज वी कैन सी हियर, ये जो दोनों नाम हैं यहाँ पे, राइट, पाथ के अंदर हम लोग ने जो दिया वो सेम एज इट इज यहाँ पे आएगा. देन क्लिक ऑन द अपर केस. इट इज आस्किंग द इनपुट. ओके, नाउ आई एम गिविंग अ इनपुट एज ABC and then test. As we can see here, it will convert the string into uppercase ABC. In the same way, lowercase, again type the string in capital, it will convert into lowercase. So this is the basic implementation of RESTful services. Now in the next video, we will see how do we consume this RESTful service using a Java client. I hope you understood this session. Thank you so much.